Mary here. I'm a brand ambassador for ToAllMyBlackGirls.com, and I'm going to be running through some tutorials on how you can wear your kinky course clip-ins. Starting off with a freshly washed afro, I take my Cantu Mousse and Eco Styler gel and apply it to the front, back and sides of my afro. Using mousse and gel together makes sure that your hair is as flat as possible, as opposed to just using gel on its own, especially with 4C textured hair. I then take up my made up hair tie. I'd made this using a pair of old tights, and what I do is I tie it as tightly as possible to create a puff in the middle of my head. I then tie that at the back, but it still never felt tight, so I picked up a hairband, and in the process of trying to secure the hairband onto my already high puff, my hair tie came out, but that's fine. I just take the hairband and make sure I try and tie that as tightly as possible instead. So now you have a bun in the middle of your head. Take a sleek brush and some gel and focus on your roots. I then take my first set of kinky course clip-ins, and this one is made up of 5 clips, and I go around my high bun. My second set of kinky course clip-ins is also made up of 5 clips. But as you can see, this first clip was giving me all sorts of problems, but we got there in the end. I go around the first set of clip-ins, making sure to clip the second set securely. My third and final set of clip-ins is made up of 4 clips, and I just clip that onto the first 2 clips in my hair and make sure this is fastened by clipping as I go. As you can see, the clips are showing, so what I do is I take my kinky course clip-ins that's made up of 2 clips and I wrap that around the ponytail at the root to create an illusion of a hairband made up of hair. I then take some bobby pins and I make sure that the end of this is secured underneath. I then take a hairband and going in on my ponytail, I section this off. In the process of doing so, I felt some hair that was flying away, so I went in with my bobby pins again to make sure that everything was secured. I then take a second hairband and create a second section on the ponytail. And I take a third and final hairband to create my last section of the ponytail. The bottom of the ponytail is quite straggly, so what I do is I twist it and then I put it up into a little ball, and using a gold clip I secure that onto the end of the ponytail, and this is the desired look. What I then do to make sure that this hairstyle stands out is to take gold string and apply it to the hairbands that are already on the ponytail. So I start on the bottom and I just twist that string around until it reaches the end, and then I just tuck it under itself. Take a second piece of gold string and twist it around the second hairband, just continuing to turn it until it's finished. I do the same thing for the third and final hairband, and as I'm going along I'm just using my hands to alter the ponytail, just so that it looks more defined. I then take some more gold clips which I have available and I decorate the top of the ponytail. And there you have it, ladies. Peace up.
Thank you for watching, and join me again soon as I'll be showing you some more hairstyles you can do with your kinky quartz clip-ins. To purchase your clip-ins, please visit toallmyblackgirls.com. Bye!